Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. Today, we are going to start with the next lesson from Unit 6, English textbook, lesson number 4, Everyday Things. This lesson is on page number 59 of your English textbook. Now, everyday means what? Day to day. मतलब हर रोज. Okay, so there are many things which you use daily. हर रोज हम बहुत सारी चीजें use करते हैं. Okay, so there are things like you need to have food every day, you need to drink water every day. So there are so many things which we need to do every day. हर रोज हमें कुछ चीजें करनी ही पड़ती है. Without doing that, we cannot live our life. So what are those things? Okay. So in your textbook, you have a space to write the answers to the questions which are being asked. We'll just go through them quickly. This is a very simple lesson. You just have to write down the names of the various things which are being asked. Okay, like here the first one is things you eat. रोज हम खाते हैं, every day we need to eat something. So one thing is given, rice. Here there is a photo of, what is this? Yes, it is chapati. Okay, apart from chapati, there are so many things which you eat. Okay, like you eat poha, upma, you eat sabzi, vegetable, fruits, so many things you eat. You have dal also. So things that you eat, what you can eat, rice, chapati, 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 and I have chosen dal, dal, dal. Okay, chapati, why? Because it is given over here, the photograph is given, that is why I have named over here chapati, and I have added dal as it goes with rice. Okay, you can add anything else. Then next one is things you drink. Okay, we need to drink something. Milk is given over here. It is very important that you drink milk. Okay, why it is important for you to drink milk? Because it will make you strong. Okay, it will give calcium to your bones, and then you will become strong. Okay, apart from this, what is this? Yes, it is juice, and something else which we need to drink. All the living things need to drink and cannot live without it. ऐसी भी कोई चीज है ना जो सबको ही पीनी पड़ती है. Right from the plants, animals to us, everybody needs it. What is it? Yes, you are right. Water. So water, 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 and this photograph is of juice. Okay, so 2 I have written. You can add on anything else also, like you can add on tea, coffee. Okay, so whatever comes to your mind, what are the things which you can drink, you can add on. Then things which you wear, आप क्या पहनते हो? Wear means पहनना, to wear. Okay, you will not go out without wearing a certain type of clothes, है ना? Suppose if you are going to your office, you need to wear formal wear, है ना? Proper आपको shirt पैंट पहन के आप jeans पहन के नहीं जा सकते ऑफिस में. Suppose you are going to school, then you have a uniform which you need to wear. So everywhere you need to wear different types of clothes. In a party, you cannot wear your school uniform. You need to wear a party dress. Okay, that way different things you wear when you go out, or even at home also you wear different kind of clothes. Is it not? So things you wear, one is tie. Tie, you know, when your father goes to the office, they wear ties on their formal wear. Okay, and we have a tie in our school uniform also. Okay, these are socks, है ना? So I will write down socks, 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 and something more, that is shoes, because shoes goes with socks. I have written over here. You can write anything else also, shirt, frock, maxi, okay, pant, anything else, salwar kurta, whatever you like. You have to just list down the things which you wear. Okay, I have written here socks and shoes. Then things you use. Okay, आप इस्तेमाल करते हैं कौन सी चीजें. So one example is given here, spoon. And what is this picture? Yes, you're right. Key. And what else? You can write plate, tiffin. Yes, so many things you can write. So here I'll mention key, K-E-Y, key. Along with key, you can mention lock. And of course with spoon you can mention plate. Whatever goes with this, I have just taken that. But you can write anything else also. ठीक है, आप दूसरा कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. Things you can make. आप खुद जो चीजें बना सकते हो. One is garland. What is a garland? आपको मालूम है garland का मतलब क्या है? जब मम्मा पूजा करती है तो वो फूलों का हार पहनाती है ना भगवान को. So that हार is called as a garland. Okay. So even शादियों में आप देखते हैं एक दूसरे को हार पहनाते हैं. So that is called as a garland. Okay, garland of flowers. Okay, apart from this, what is this? Yes, this is boat. Okay, so you can make a paper boat, is it not? This is a paper boat. Then what else you can make? Bead chain. Bead मतलब मोती या मणि बोलते हैं जिसको, उसकी आप चेन भी बना सकते हो. सो पेपर बोट है, बीड चेन है. ऑल दिस यू कैन मेक योर सेल्फ. आप खुद बना सकते हो. थिंग्स यू कैन मेक मीन्स आप खुद जो जो चीजें बना सकते हो उसको लिस्ट डाउन करना है. So one garland they have already given, paper boat the picture is there, and bead chain is another example. Then things that you hear, मतलब आप सुन सकते हो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं? एक तो है doorbell, okay, and what else? They have shown a mobile. What can you hear? Yes, the ringtone of the mobile, है ना? MOBILE mobile. Then थंडर, लाइटनिंग. जब बारिश होती है तो थंडर की आवाज आती है ना, लाइटनिंग होती है तभी जोर से थंडर की आवाज आती है ना. आपण म्हणतो ना मराठीमध्ये गडगडतोय. सो दॅट यू कॅन हिअर. ओके, सो थिंग्स विच यू हिअर, डोरबेल, मोबाइल रिंगटोन है ना, एंड थंडर. देन थिंग्स यू कैन स्मेल. वन इज सेंट, एंड व्हाट इज दिस? Yes, it is a flower. You can smell a flower also, no? FLOWER, flower. Then what else? Shampoo. You can smell your shampoos also. Very nice smell, no? Many shampoos have a very good smell. Then what else you can smell? You can smell your food also. Okay, if your mama is preparing something, then you immediately come to know what she is preparing. How? Because you can smell the food. So there are so many smells which you can identify with various things. Okay, so you can list down the things you care for. कौन सी चीजों के लिए आप बहुत उसका ध्यान रखते हैं, संभालते हैं, केयर करते हैं. सो योर पेट एनिमल्स. यस, आपके घर में अगर कोई पेट होगा तो आप उसको खाना खिलाते हैं, उसको बाहर घुमाने लेके जाते हैं. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू डू फॉर योर pet animal. You treat them as your family member. You take care of them. So you things which you care for, one is your pet animal, and what is this? Books. You need to take care of your books also. Is it not? It is very important. You have to take care of the books. Otherwise, how you will be able to read? Okay. So books are important. What else is important? Yes. Parents, you have to take care of your parents because your parents always take care of you. Okay, so you have to be very careful. You have to be very polite and courteous with them. You have to listen to whatever they tell you. Is it not? They always tell you all the things which will benefit you. आपके लिए जो अच्छा है वही आपके पेरेंट्स आपको बताएंगे. इसीलिए उनके साथ में आपको कभी भी रूडली नहीं बात करनी है. You should help them. Okay, you should always listen to whatever they tell you. Okay, so things you care for, your books, your parents, your pet animals. Okay, and you can write down even plants. If you have plants at home, you also care for them, is it not? So you can write down, list n number of things over here. Then match the following here. This you have to copy it down in your English notebook. Okay. Now look here. In the first column we have various things which we already discussed. Things you drink, things you wear, things you hear, things you eat. Now we are not going to mark it like this. Okay. You can draw small pictures in your English notebook instead of just writing down over here. Just look at this. You can make small pictures. It is very easy. Okay. So now things which you can drink. What is this? This is a radio and this is a bell. Can you drink this? No. This is a cake and this is an apple. Can you drink it? No. What is this? This is milk and this is cold drink. Can you drink this? Yes, you can. So this is right. So first is matched with, what is this? C. So here look down over here. Along with first I will have to write here C. Okay. So let's not mark over here. Next, things you wear. Okay. So what do you wear? Do you wear a radio and a bell? No. A cake, apple? No. This we have already finished. Now what is remaining? Cap and shoes. Do you wear them? Yes, we do wear them. So this is right. Okay. So second one is matching with D. So here along with 2 I will write what? D. Okay. So I have written here D. We will not match here. This is just for your reference. So don't make arrows. Things you hear. आप क्या सुन सकते हैं? Hear means सुनना. Radio and bell. Yes, you can hear a radio and a bell. Yes. So I'm matching the third one with A. Okay. So along with 3, what will I write over here? A. Okay. And I will remove this arrow. Okay. Next. Things you eat. We'll eat cake and apple. Only this one is remaining. So cake and apple we are going to eat. Yes. So the fourth one I am matching with B. Okay. Fourth one matching with B. So over here along with 4, what will I write? B. And I'll remove this arrow. Okay. So this is your match the column. Okay. Understood? So this you have to write in your English notebook. Make small pictures. The pictures are very easy and you can do it. No need of taking your mama papa's help. Okay, you are very smart children. So that's all. Very simple, very easy. Is it not? Okay, so you all will complete all the work in your English notebook and English textbook as I have already told you. Okay. Chalo then, bye. See you.